Daddy's secret formula will finally be mine!
Step right up and get your shot at the bubble pop! Just point your pointers at the bubble and start popping! Every hit earns you 4 points! Looks like you got the right idea! Pop, pop, pop! Stay loaded! I'll take that as a yes. Wow, some of you are really good at missing those balls! Great job, everyone! Now head on over to my pal Slipper at the basketball toss. See you later!
Die Achterbahn!
Welcome to the basketball toss. Shoot hoops for fun and prizes. Whatever.
Wer kriegt am meisten Punkte?
Pick up the pace. Fair warning, Patrick's hosting the next game. I swear!
Just toss the now you get the picture right.
Oh, gaan we wel?
Ready to smash some points? Here we go! Guess what? Yeah! Oh, break those plates! Smash, smash! All these frozen patties are making me hungry. Still hungry. SpongeBob!
That was my chance! Come to Papa! Uh-oh.
Oh, Matthias, guck mal, unser Punktestand. Wir sind voll nach. Oh.
It's the onion ring toss. Just toss the now you get the picture right. I love onions. Here we go.
Just one little ring. Oh, hey, whose side are you on anyway? Oh, not again!
Kann man gar nicht.
What's wrong, SpongeBob?
I just love onions.
I know. All this food is making me so hungry.
That gives me an idea for a new game. Follow me.
Du hast aber mehr getroffen. Ja. SpongeBob!
All right, Patrick. A whole bunch of Krabby Patties coming right up. They're ready. Now presenting in the center lane. It's time to feed Patrick. More Patricks over here. He's still hungry.
What do you boys think you're doing? All those Krabby Patties are costing me money! Oh, it's better than that, Gramps. Once I get this Krabby Patty back to my lab, nothing will stop me from learning the secret formula!
Baby, come on!
minutes later.
Well done, everyone. You stopped plankton and saved me restaurant. Hooray! Now let's see how you did on the Carnival games. Not too shabby.
I've seen better.
Now to celebrate, why not head over to the Krusty Krab and buy some delicious Krabby Patties?
Mr. Krabs, we can't make any more Krabby Patties. We used all the ingredients for these games.
SpongeBob! Get back here, you two!
Welcome back. Access to your left. Please watch your stepping.